In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can purchase an item using Amazon gift card. So there are several ways to do this. The first option that I'll be taking you through is adding that card to your balance. So you're going to select your profile icon, then you're going to select account, then scroll down and then select manage gift card balance. Here you're going to select redeem another gift card. You can scan your gift card if it's a physical card that you have, or if it's a digital card, you can enter the code here. If it's a physical card, you can also enter the code as well, and then you apply it to your balance, and then it will be reflected here. Now, once you're making a purchase, so let's go to cart. Let's select proceed to checkout item. You'll see that by default, the money is deducted from my gift card balance. So if this is not happening, what you need to do is select change payment method and ensure that the option is selected that allows you to use your gift card balance. So ensure you select that and then select continue. So here I'm just going to go ahead and place my order. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.